In this video, I will show you how to download SOOP on your Samsung Smart TV. Regardless of the YouTube channel, if you find this video helpful. So, if you have a Samsung Smart TV like mine and want to download SOOP, here's what to do. First thing, you have to connect to the internet. After connecting to the internet, you're going to try to locate your app store. Now, note, your operating system for your Samsung Smart TV might be different from my own Samsung Smart TV, but the process is literally still the same. First thing, connect to the internet. Second, locate your app store. So here's my app store here and I'm going to launch it. So you come over to the app store, you can search through the apps to see the application. Like just scroll through here and you are going to see the application. And here is it. So, or if you don't see it all over here, you can come over to the search box and search for the application yourself. So you come over here and type in SOOP. So come over here and type SOOP and we'll go ahead and search. And as you can see, here's the application. You click on it and download the application to your Samsung Smart TV by just clicking the download button. So if you find this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.